Hi gun people, Ford trucky people. I'm putting on these little bull pins here, and they're called Bullring. And I always put these on my trucks because they're just so freaking handy. They're level, and then when you need them, you just pull them out and you hook them up. And Ford did a nice thing here on these little things. You used to have to cut out the plastic, it was solid. Ford's already cut them out to where now they're just like little inserts, and they pop out very nice. It leaves a nice smooth little ring there. So I really like that they did that. And getting these things in are always kind of a pain because they just don't fit. You have to, especially if you keep this down, it doesn't look like it will go in there. So you really have to make sure and extend these, and I didn't read the instructions, maybe they explained this, I don't know. But if you look underneath here, you see the screws. You want them all the way to the last one, to where they're almost coming out, to give you the most extension. So a lot of times I'll just take it all the way out and then just do a half turn in, because you don't want this falling like that down the hole or you're screwed. So I took that one a little far out because the screw came completely out. So I'm going to go ahead and give that I do reverse thread and then just give it kind of a half turn there. Okay? So I know they're in there and they're not going to fall out. So that gives you some distance here. And then getting this into here, you have to remember to pull this up so you can kind of get this little lip under there. And it's a very tight fit once you get it in there. So I got it on that side, and I should have got it on the other side. So this might be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out here. Okay. So I have more of a lip on this side, so I want to put it on this side first, if I can. Once you get it in, you kind of wiggle around, then it kind of drops in there. Then you tighten up these little screws. Make sure you don't unscrew them because you'll drop down in the tailgate and you'll be an unhappy camper. So I just go back and forth, and it's pulling those hooks up. And then again, back and forth, so it comes in level. Each time you go kind of a half turn on one side, you can get another half. Alright, and now when I need it, it's here. I think they're good for 1,000 pounds, and then when you don't need them, they're gone. And hopefully that was all in camera, because I couldn't see when I was filming it. Alright, and if you want to take them out, if you ever sell your truck, which I forgot to take mine off my Toyota, I wish I would have, you unscrew those and you pop them back out. And since Ford gave you these nice little knockouts, if you remember where they're at, you can just replace the knockout now. Pretty nice. Alright, we'll end that there.